Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIAV Sumi School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, our today's topic is even numbers. Okay, your lecture number is 16 for the annual term examination. You have a homework. Your homework number is 16. Dear students, let's start our class. I have written already 3 questions for the CW class. That means this is our CW class. Okay, your topic is even number. There are 3 questions. Is 1, 2, 3. But before that, we need to know what is even number. In the previous class, we have learned the odd numbers. The odd numbers was which number can't make the pair. That was odd numbers. And my dear students, the even number is what? Which number can make the pairs, that's our even number. I repeat, which number can make the pairs, that's called even number. Okay. Now my dear students, which number can make the pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From the first 10 numbers, look, 1 for 1 stick, 2 for 2 sticks, 3 sticks for 3, 4 sticks for 4, 5 sticks for 5 and 6 sticks for 6. Now look, 1 it can't make the pair, so it's not an even number. Okay, 1 is not an even number. 2 it can make a pair, so 2 is an even number. 3 sticks, from these 3 sticks 2 can make a pair, but this one is alone, that's why 3 can't make the pair, and that's why 3 is not an even number. Like this, 4 can make the pair, right? So 4 is an even number. Okay, so on my dear students, we can see that the even numbers can appear after one number. Okay, 2 is an even number but not 3. 4 is an even number but not 5. 6 is an even number. Okay, but not the 7. 8 is an even number, not 9. 10 is an even number. That means which numbers has in the ones place 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0, that number will be our even number. Okay, now let's solution the question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1 is, the first question is write even numbers from 51 to 60. My dear students, from 51 to 60, which are the even numbers we need to write down in these boxes. The first number is 51. My dear students, first number is 51. 51 has 1 in the ones place, and we know that 1 can't make the pair and 1 is not an even number. So 51 is not an even number. The next number of 51 is 52, and 52 has 2 in the ones place. We know that 2 can make the pair and 2 is an even number. That's why 52 is also an even number. That means we should write down 52, the first even number for this question. Okay, it's 5 and 2. 52 is the first even number, and we know that the even number comes after one number. Okay, so my dear students, look, 52 is the first even number for this question. So 53, the next number, is not an even number. 54 will be our next even number. Okay, 54. Look, my dear students, 4 can make the pair, so 4 is an even number. That's why 54 is also an even number. Okay, like this way. Next number is 55, but 55 is not an even number. Again, the 56 will be our next even number. Is 56, because 6 is in ones place and 6 can make the pairs. So 6 is an even number. That's why 56 is also an even number. Our next even number is 58, because even numbers come after one number. Okay, now 52, 54, 56, 58, and the next even number will be 60. 60. Because this, when we have 0 in the ones place, that number will be our even number, my dear students. Okay, which number has 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0 in the ones place, that number are called the even number. Like this way we should solve the next questions. Okay, the second question is write even numbers from 71 to 80. My dear students, our first even number for this question will be 72. Okay, 72 is our first even number, and the next one will be is 74. It will be, okay, 74. The next number of the 74, the next even number of 74 will be 76. 76. Okay, like this way. It's 58. It will be 78. The next even number of 76. Okay, and the last even number for this question will be 8080. It is 8080. Now look at the answers. The answers are 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. Dear students, all the numbers has 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0 in the ones place. That's why all the numbers are even number. Okay. Now we'll solve the last question. The last question is write even numbers from 91 to 100. It's so easy, my dear students. It will be 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100 are the even numbers. So write down here. It's 92 is the first even number, then 94, then 96, then 98 and our last even number is 100. Now look, all the numbers has in the ones place 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0 in the ones place. Okay, so all the numbers are even numbers. My dear students, we know that even numbers, we also know that even numbers are comes after one number. Okay, that's the easiest way we can write down all the even numbers in a question's answer. Now my dear students, you have the homework. Your homework is same. That means these 3 questions will be also your homework. Please mention your HW number in the left of corner of your copy. You must write down HW number 16. HW number 16 in the left of corner of your copy and solve all the problems in your assigned HW copy properly. You can submit all of your HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.